to my channel Coasting with Claudel. Today I am starting my vlog in my sister's house. I did an interview with her on my #GoGirl series about her business Dream Cakes. The reason why I'm at her house is because we're gonna do a shoot. Yay! I love shoots. She asked me to be the model. It's going to be used for her social media platform. She wants me to pose with some of her stunning cakes. And then yeah, let's see how this shoot goes. Hello Melissa!
Getting ready for the photo shoot.
How's it going? Is it hard work?
Yes, it's a lot of hard work, but it's going to be worth it.
Yes, it's gonna look nice. We moved around some elements. I'm going to be posing in front of this wall. Here is Marlies, the photographer for the shoot. She's just busy testing. So I'm done with my makeup and my hair. I'm loving my look, the bright lips and the golden eyeshadow. So we are going to get started now. I'm so excited. Shoot's going really well so far. It's going fast. I'm enjoying it because I can eat all the yummy cupcakes, and you can see I even put like nice little sugar on my lips, which I absolutely love. Melissa is busy making her famous, what do you call this?
This is a naked drip cake.
Wow. And she's making it my favorite color, which is hot pink.
And I'm going to put roses on top.
Oh, wow. I'm going to hold this cake. And she said I can take it home afterwards and eat it. Stunning cake that my sister created, Dream Cakes. The best cake company you can find. We are done with the photo shoot. I enjoyed it so much.
Mag jy dit oplig of koppe word afgesny? Of is dit okay? Nee, daai lyk is sleg. Never mind. Daar.
Ek sukkel my arm kan nie so ver nie.
Okay, wag, nou kry jy nie die cupcakes en die koek in nie. Daar's hy. Okay.
So.
Yes.
Okay, action. We are done with the photo shoot for Dream Cakes. I had a lot of fun.
It went really well.
Did it go well?
Yes, exactly what I wanted. The photographer was friendly, good professional service. I liked the photo she took, and yeah,
Yes.
now we have so much cake to eat.
So much cake. But Melissa, it's like hard work doing photo shoots. It's not easy.
I see now.
But it was fun. I enjoyed posing with the different beautiful cakes, and the photographer was professional.
And you were very good.
Thank you.
You're very natural, very good. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and then I'll see you all next week.
Bye.
Bye. I just want to eat this cake.